Behind me is the converter transformer here at the 660 kilowatt Matiari-Lahore HVDC transmission project, the only transmission project under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor framework. This technology is being used for the first time in Pakistan, was invented and developed in China's northwestern Xi'an city.
Xi'an XT Transformer, a subsidiary of China XT Electric, produced 28 converter transformers and 47 reactors that are being used in the Mitiari-Lahore HVDC transmission project. The eastern part of Pakistan is hot with the temperature exceeding 50 degrees Celsius most of the time in summer. For this reason, the design team of XT Group optimized the structure of the main components and the installation method of bushings. From design and production to installation and application, the Chinese-built converter transformers have played a major role in the country's power grid.
莫拉这类项目呢，其实里边有好多这设备呢，都是咱们国产的自主研发的吧，比例是非常高的。换电变呢，它作为是比较重要的一个设备呢，它主要是进行能量传输嘛。你换电变，还有换电阀、平板电衡器，它都是咱们大国制造。
who just came out as a fresh engineer, and especially the HVDC, there is no other project in Pakistan related to HVDC. So we have not any knowledge of HVDC technology, but the Chinese help us so much, especially they have assigned us one Chinese to every Pakistani engineer.
The project has now operated safely for over 1,000 days, with a cumulative transmission of 26.8 billion kilowatt-hour, guaranteeing the electricity use of 10 million households in Lahore and its surrounding areas, and facilitating the socio-economic development in the area.